RC-esque programming, sensorless versus censored explained. Imagine you're racing your RC car and want it to start smoothly from a standstill or hit top speed without hesitation. The secret lies in how the electronic speed controller manages the motor. Today, we're breaking down the difference between sensorless and censored electronic speed controllers. First, let's talk about censored systems. These use tiny sensors inside the motor called Hall effect sensors. They constantly tell the electronic speed controller exactly where the rotor is at all times, even when the motor isn't moving. This precise info helps the ESC start the motor smoothly and control it at very low speeds. So if you're crawling over rocks or doing tight turns, censored setups give you that predictable, steady throttle response. Now, sensorless systems skip the sensors altogether. Instead, they rely on measuring back electromotive force or back EMF. When the motor spins, it generates a voltage called back EMF, which the ESC uses to estimate rotor position. But here's the catch. At zero or very low speeds, back EMF is weak or absent, making it harder for the ESC to know exactly where the rotor is. That can cause a little stuttering or cogging when you try to start moving. Once the motor hits higher speeds, back EMF gets stronger, and sensorless SCS can deliver power efficiently and smoothly. The main difference shows up during startup and low-speed control. Censored SCS excel here because they know the rotor position from the start, making for smooth, predictable starts. Sensorless SCS might struggle a bit at low speeds but are simpler and usually cheaper. They work great for high-speed runs and general bashing, where low-speed control isn't as critical. Some SCS can switch modes. They start censored for a smooth takeoff and then switch to sensorless at higher speeds to maximize efficiency. This hybrid approach gives you the best of both worlds. In terms of programming, censored SCS often have fixed timing based on the sensor feedback, which helps keep everything synchronized. Sensorless SCS use dynamic timing algorithms that adjust as the motor speeds up, optimizing power delivery. So, if you're into crawling or racing where low-speed control matters, a censored system is your best bet. But if you want simple, reliable high-speed fun, sensorless is often enough. And if you're looking for versatility, a hybrid ESC that switches modes can give you smooth starts and fast speeds all in one. Understanding these differences helps you pick the right setup for your RC vehicle, making your driving experience more enjoyable and responsive.